Legend has it that these little origami stars, called lucky stars or wishing stars, bring good luck both to the person who makes them and the person who receives them. So they're a perfect gift for somebody who needs a little luck. They're easy to make, so let me show you how. All you need for this project are strips of colored paper, about 1 centimeter by 21 centimeter for the size that I'm making. You could buy a pack inexpensively like this one, or you can cut your own. Start at one end of the paper, about 2 inches in, and fold a loop and then tuck the end through the loop. So you'll have a little tail with the wrong side facing you. You'll be pulling it into a tight, flat knot. This is the hardest part of the whole star, just because you need to work slow, be patient, make sure that there's no gaps at the corners. Fold the tail across the front, and then you want to tear it if necessary so it doesn't go past the edge of the top paper. So just short enough that you can tuck it in the front and it will slide in there easily. So make your creases tight and you'll have a little 5-sided shape, a pentagon. Now fold the paper up so the right side is towards you where it naturally is going to fold, and go up to that first angle on your left and fold it again, then to the angle on your right. And basically you're going to keep doing this until you get to the end of the paper. So it's not hard to figure out where to fold because the paper will tell you where to go next. So just keep folding, keep everything even, and crease it as you go along. When you get to the end of the paper, tear off a little bit of the tail if you need to, so that it's not overlapping. And then tuck it into the last fold so that your star is secure. Now pinch each point of the star to give the points definition and to puff out the middle. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas.